Case file number 012, the Commonwealth Expansion and Contraction Procedures. This is case file number 012. Warning: this broadcast utilizes the Commonwealth Protocol. Calibration parameters dictate that a double crochet in this sector equates to a single crochet iteration within the U.S. mainframe. We are reviewing restored footage of structural expansion and contraction maneuvers, specifically the double crochet increase and decrease. The subject initiates the sequence from an established baseline. To execute the structural expansion, documented as the double crochet increase, the hardware is inserted into the stitch. A yarn over is executed, and the fiber is pulled through. The fiber is pulled through again to complete the initial maneuver. The critical step follows. The hardware is inserted back into the exact same foundational aperture. Another yarn over, and the fiber is pulled through. Two double crochets now occupy a single structural space. This procedure provides necessary rapid expansion to the textile grid. Next, the procedure demands a structural contraction. The subject demonstrates the primary double crochet decrease method. The hardware enters the stitch, a yarn over, yielding 2 loops on the hook. The subject deliberately pauses the maneuver. The hardware immediately penetrates the adjacent stitch. Another yarn over is executed, resulting in 3 loops occupying the hardware. The fiber is then pulled through all 3 loops simultaneously. The structural footprint is successfully reduced. A secondary contraction anomaly is also documented, cataloged as the invisible double crochet decrease. Here, the subject alters the standard insertion parameters. The hardware bypasses the dual upper loops. The hook penetrates only the front loop, popping up through the middle. It then immediately sweeps into the front loop of the adjacent stitch, a yarn over, and the fiber is pulled through all active loops. This specific isolation technique yields a seamless anterior surface, highly effective for 3-dimensional amigurumi construction, where the interior remains hidden. However, the original audio log notes a structural compromise. This method forces a visible line upon the posterior surface. If the final artifact requires bilateral visual integrity, this technique is highly discouraged. The posterior scarring will draw unwanted visual attention to the contraction point. Practitioners must choose their contraction maneuvers based on the required visual output of the final artifact. This concludes our observation of case file number 012. Analog crafts for a digital world.